Hello, welcome back for another episode of TinaBlingz. This is the second part of my get ready with me to go to brunch with my gals. And right now I'm actually about to do my little nails because they're not done. So today I'll be using the Kiss French nails. You could do this at home. This is the shortest length. Real short. It comes with 28 nails, and I tell you, people be fronting on press-ons, but press-ons is what it's about. All right, it's really good. So let's dive in. Okay, so most people don't like press-on nails because they feel like they look real fake, they pop off easy, and it's just not the salon look that they want. But I'm telling you, if you put them on correct, they won't pop off, they'll look amazing, and you'll absolutely love them. So what I want to recommend is that you get you some cotton balls and some acetone to remove any extra oils in your nails, because you want it to be dry as possible before you go on and put your glue and your nail on. So I actually messed up one of it. Oh no, perfect. It's good. So what I already did was measure out my nails, and I placed them on the table from my thumb to the pinky. And that just makes it a little bit more easier than to like be looking for the nails. Just do that part first. You cut a lot of time and you'll be able to move a lot faster. So it came with a little nail file. So I'm going to like shape up my nails. Just a little bit. I already did this like 2 nights ago. So I don't have to do so much. The nail file that they put in here is pretty good. Okay, this part is very, very important. You want to make sure that your nail has something to grip the other nail on. So what I recommend doing is by just gently, just rough up your nails a little bit, just so it has some type of grip, so it has texture. You don't want it to be smoothed and buffered like, a regular manicure. Just want to like rough it up a little bit so that your nail has something for the glue to hold on to. Normally in the nail salon they'll use that drill, which I hate because it jacks up my nails. It's so bad for your nails, I'm telling you. I already have naturally thin nails, so when they use that drill against my nails, sometimes my nail is actually sore. So I can't see that actually doing any good for me, personally. Some people help their nails grow, but for me, nope. How do you guys like my makeup? I'm gonna post the video down below on how I did this makeup look, so you could go and try it out yourself. That's my freestyle makeup tutorial. I'm not an MUA. It's not in step by, well, no, it's kind of step by step, but it's like my step by step, so it works out. Alright, so now my fingernails are all filed down. I'm gonna go on with my cotton ball to remove the excess dust and oil from my nails. You see a little bit of color on my skin. That's from the makeup I did earlier. Okay, so they look at the towel, dry it off. Okay, if you need to push back your cuticles, I'm just going to push them back a little bit. Let's get started. What hand should I start with? Start with my left hand. Okay, so I'm going to place it down on the table. Take my glue, I'm gonna place a drop. Place your nail right on top. Is that? I hope I put the right one. Oh yeah, it is, because that one's next to it. Like I said, laying them out is important, but then also making sure that they don't slide onto one another, because that is kind of crazy. Alright, one nail down. Just place a drop. You don't need a whole bunch of glue, because that gives, you just don't need it. Oh, you place your nail down. You want to make sure there's no air trapped inside, so make sure you press it down firmly. Oh, these nails are cute. I like them already. It's my first time using this style. Okay, just to double check. Okay. Glue, one drop. And it's so fast, I tell you. Press down. I like to like press it and then to like slide it like under my cuticle a little bit, so like it becomes a little bit more secure when you do that. And like I said, repeat. Put a dot right there in the middle and press your nail down. I don't want to do it that far because I want my nail to be straight. Okay. Remember, push your air bubbles out if you see any of them, because that just leaves way for your nail to trap water under it and then your nail pop off. So you want to hold it down for on. Time for the thumb. Got a little bit more. Squeeze. These nails are so cute, and they don't damage my nails, so that's like really a plus for me. One hand done. Then you just take the little tabs and take them off, of course, unless you like this little style. It's like alien nails. If you do, hey, live your best life, sis. Now I'm moving on to my next hand. Actually, I should have did my dominant hand first, but you know, when I found out that SpongeBob could use both of his hands, something like that. You could do both with both your hands. This glue is so strong. Like normally I'll have like some leeway time to like move it, but it's not holding up, so that is a good thing. I can say that. I remember back in the day when I used to buy my press-ons, the glue that they used to give used to be so trash. Like, legit, your nails would be flying off. And that's probably why. Like, they had to step their game up. Everybody? Alright, I think I put the wrong nail on. Shit. Yeah. Talking to y'all. I said I put the wrong nail on. This side I have 11 and 9. Now I have 11 on the middle finger and 9 in the beginning. Oh my god, that's so annoying. Whatever. I'm just gonna move forward. Let me make sure I have 12 on the pinky and 10 right here. I know it was looking kind of short. Alright. See? We all make mistakes. Gotta add a little bit more glue. I noticed when you put the glue more so to one side, it doesn't spread. So make sure you're putting the glue in the middle so it could spread evenly to both sides. So I just did that on this finger and it just went to one side. Alright, now, come on. Come on now. Let's go. Come on now, let's stick. You just want to be the problem now, right? Don't embarrass me. Okay. This was really fast. Probably was fast because I messed up. Also, try not to get glue on top of the nail because it becomes very annoying when you're trying to press down the nail and the glue from the top is sticking to your finger, so it's not allowing you to glue your nail down. Okay, now it's time for the thumb. You know what I mean? Okay, everyone, I have the finished look. I just put on the last couple fingers, and I tell you, I'm in love with my short French tip. I have had nails this short in so long, but I love them. I should have done my toes French too, but I didn't. This is also perfect. So I hope you guys enjoy my video of part 2 of Get Ready With Me. It's been a pleasure, guys. Remember to spread love, peace, and happiness. And we're going to add this one, slayage. It's been real love. See you at my next